Dirtbag Tech Dad. How to get groceries on a sailboat, step 1. Tell the kids to get in the dinghy. Get in the dinghy. Step 2. Wait for mom. Step 3. Tell the kids to get in the dinghy. Get in the dinghy! I'm just a step 4. Get the trash in the dinghy. Trash in the dinghy. Step 5. Where's mom? Step 5.5. Still waiting for mom.
Mom's cleaning up.
Step 6.
Step 9.
Strong job. Step 10. Uncletus. Cletus! Step 12. Mom gets in the dinghy. Stuff in the dinghy. Step 13. Tell Jack to start the motor.
Did you bring
Start the motor.
Wait, did you bring him shoes?
Yes. Here.
Step 15. Full throttle.
Step 16. Watch and admire. Step 18. Dude Beach. Busted. Marco! Step 18.
Right behind the black car.
Release the trash. Step 21. Mom does all the work. Step 26.
Reverse again? Don't hit the shiny prop.
It's just a prop. It's not real.
Just a problem.
A problem. Step 38.
This is how it works.
Yay, my hat. I do it real my name.
Whoa. You are strong.
Johnny, do you always sing that song when you're taking your pants off? New rule. Steps 30 through 40 shall be spoken in song form. Step 30. Walk to the store. Hush, little baby. Step 31. I'll walk to the store is not done.
Step 32.
Oh, you guys are in the right place. It's a hypermarket.
Woohoo!
We're just a poor boy going to a hypermarket. Step 33. Step 33, Figaro. Oh, 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 oh. Beelzebub. This is going to be so hard to get all the groceries. Find the elevator. What the elevator? For me. There's a ramp over there. It goes down over there. We're going to be okay. So you think you can walk into a store with AC? Bow down. So you think this is a place that you want to be? Whoa, baby. Can't get enough of me, baby. Just gotta get out. Just gotta get back on the boat. Step 34. Bright eyes. Every now and then we go upstairs, and we went down a flight too low. So back downstairs we go. Not step 34. Hold her way out, Angel.
I want to clean and I want to do it.
You like chocolate?
Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Step 3. Get awesome.
Booyah.
16. Step number. Turn in the time. Do it.
And do you want more than this?
How'd we do, people?
Pretty good. You got bacon.
Bacon your pardon? Somebody give me a step number. Step 54. Back up to the elevator. Step is this, Guap? Step 47. We got the groceries back to the dinghy. Step 47. Nailed it. Step 51. Success. Step 52. 58. 59. The best step so far. Step 63. Step 63. Step 64. Best step of all. Step 65. Nice. Step 66. Good job, step 66. 67.
That's awesome. It was a very successful grocery run. So, great teamwork. Everybody's happy. No complaining. I think everybody looked like hell. It was easy. It was enjoyable.
Oh, Tango uniform, Kenny.
Mission accomplished. Shoot. And we found some things that we hadn't found before. Still no peanut butter.
Guess what?